kurasa umwanzi bamumazeho, bakora icyo bita kwisuganya kugira ngo babashe kumenya niba umwanzi bamurashe wese, banabashe kumenya niba hari ukomeretse mu babo. Umuyobozi anatanze amabwiriza ku ngamba yasigaye ijisho umwanzi ko nabo bazi imbere ariko bareba ko hari umwanzi wasigaye kugira ngo ataza kubagirira nabi. Murabibona ko bahagurutse barimo baragenda bareba ko hari umwanzi wasigaye kugira ngo ataza kuba yabagirira nabi. Kugira ngo rero atagira umwanzi ubaca muri humye akabagirira nabi, baje bari guhorahoza.
Kimwe mu bintu byibasiye isi muri iki gihe harimo urubyiruko rwabaswe n'ibiyobyabwenge, indwara zidakira zibasiye abantu ndetse n'amakimbirane yo mu miryango. Hari uwaje nk'igisubizo kuri ibyo byose byavuzwe haruguru. Ninde? Akora iki? Akorera he? Yitwa Muganga Nzito, akorera mu karere ka Nyamasheke, ariko aho waba uherereye hose ku isi akugezaho imiti. Icyo ugomba gukora ni ukumuhamagara mukivuganira. Niba uri muri diaspora wigira ikibazo, wowe muhamagare gusa muvugane, aguha inama z'ubuzima kandi aguhe n'imiti. Muravugana ku buryo umuti uri bukugereho ukavurwa kandi ugakira. Ni muganga gakondo w'inzobere mu kuvura akoresheje ibimera, afite umuti aguha wari warabaswe n'itabi ugahiturire burundu kandi urabizi ko itabi bishobora kukwica. Atanga umuti ku bakobwa babuze imihango n'abajya mu mihango ntikame. Avura amarozi y'amahuherano, amategano ndetse n'amatamikano. Atanga umuti w'uruhereko, avura karande n'inyatsi, nyabingi n'imitsiriko. Atanga umuti wongera akanyabugabo ndetse akanatanga umuti wongera amavangingo ku bagore. Atanga umuti wa diabete, uw'umwijima, uwa hepatite A na hepatite B. Atanga umuti ku bafite umubyibuho ukabije ndetse n'abananutse cyane. Atanga umuti ku bafite ibiro byinshi bashaka kubigabanya ndetse n'abafite ibiro bike bashaka kongera ibiro. Atanga umuti n'ubujyanama ku bafite amakimbirane yo mu miryango. Agufasha kugarura ibyawe byibwe, akanaguha ubujyanama butuma ubana n'abandi neza mu kazi ndetse no kugira igikundiro mu nshuti zawe. Umwihariko kuri uyu muganga nuko igihugu cyose waba uherereyemo ku isi akugezaho umuti. Ushobora kwibaza uti umuganga ushobora gukura ubuzima bwawe mu kaga akakugarura umugore wawe wagutaye ntabwo ahenda. Igisubizo ni oya. Ugereranyije umuti aguha n'amafaranga make y'umuha ntaho bihuriye. Kuva aka kanya ugiye kwicuza impamvu wowe n'inshuti zawe mutamenye uyu muganga mbere. Hamagara iyo nimero, namara kukuvura urahita wicuza impamvu utamumenye mbere. Ushobora kumuhamagara kuri call isanzwe cyangwa kuri WhatsApp. Aboneka amasaha 24 kuri 24. Muganga Nzito, igisubizo ku buzima bwawe n'ubw'inshuti zawe.
Right, Honorable Prime Minister, we're now going to follow a series of military demonstrations that will also be presented by our fellow Inore, Platoon Commander Inore King Dave Murigo, is going to issue his order to the section commander and brief his company commander Inore Uwayesu Fred how he intends to defeat the enemy.
Kugira ngo tubashe gusobanukirwa neza, Intore Emmanuel Ndayikunda arabidufashamo. Ibyo umuyobozi w'urugamba maze kwerekana biraza kuba bigiye gushyirwa mu bikorwa. Babyeyi namwe bashyitsi ntihagire uwikanga, turaza kumva n'ingoma za gisirikare.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to number 1 Platoon 8 Post. I'm Exercise Lieutenant King Dave Muligo, number 1 Platoon Commander, Alpha Combat Team. Sir! Sir! This is how I intend to issue my orders. All group will introduce themselves, 8 Post orientation, motor description, ground description, review of the situation, and issuing of orders. All group. Sir! Introduce yourselves.
Sir! Exercise Sergeant Kwahirwa Tracy, number 1 Section Commander. Sir!
Sir! Exercise Sergeant Obadiah Munjeri, number 2 Section Commander. Sir!
Sir! Exercise Sergeant Ashley Kayara, number 3 Section Commander. Sir!
Sir! Exercise Sergeant Dave Isheja Mundisha, Anti-Tank Section Commander. Sir! Sir! Exercise Sergeant Ishimum Safir Shoaib, Anti-Aircraft Section Commander. Sir! Sir! Exercise Sergeant Benjamin Karama, Rotating Commander. Sir!
section commander. Sir!
8-post orientation. Our 8 posts consist of the master operations map, concept of operations, authentication table, region A diagram, and the SAN model. Model description. The model in front of us represents our area of operation. It is extracted from the maps of Gabiro, Nyagatare, Mihindi, and Rwandan, all to scale of 1/50,000. It extends eastings from 40 to 80 and northings 14 to 44. It is oriented to the north as shown by the arrow. The model is made to scale such that one side of the small square represents 2 kilometers on the actual ground. I've used various aids to represent both natural and artificial features. The raised modes of sun represent hills, like Gabiro Hill. The green color represents vegetation, like vegetation surrounding Gabiro Hill. The blue color represents water masses, like Kamramjezi Swamp. The red color represents road networks, like the road going through Mungokora, Senene, and beyond. The black dotted lines represent the national boundaries, like the boundary between Rwanda Republic and Rugari Republic. Blue Manila paper with military symbols represents our forces' activity, like our company headquarters at Nyabagando. Red Manila paper with military symbols represents enemy forces' activity, like the enemy section dug in at Rusharazi. Blue Manila paper in form of airplanes represents airstrips, like Nyabagando airstrip. Ground description. Our ground is generally characterized by hills, dead grounds, vegetation, road networks, water masses, and valleys. Review of the situation. Rugali Republic and Rwanda Republic are 2 neighboring countries that share a common border. Both attained independence in the 1960s. However, Rwanda Republic has remained dissatisfied by the political, economic, and security stability enjoyed by the Republic of Rugali. Consequently, Rwanda has provided political, logistical, and military support to the Nyangarama forces. Recently, the Nyangarama forces, supported by Rwanda Republic, launched an invasion into Rugali through 2 axes. The Mutumba, Shama, Gabiro axis as the main axis, Mutumba, Nyungwe, Gabiro as a subsidiary axis. Their intention was to capture Gabiro Barracks and Gabiro Airport. On 2nd August 2026, intelligence reports confirmed that one section of the Nyangarama forces had established defensive positions in the general area of Rusharazi, Greek coordinates 501-240. The enemy is assessed to be awaiting reinforcements before launching a major offensive towards Gabiro. In response to this, 7th Battle Group Commander ordered Alpha Combat Team to clear the enemy along the Mutumba, Shama, Gabiro axis and restore security in the area. Consequently, Alpha Combat Team Commander tasked number 1 Platoon to defeat the enemy section dug in general area of Rusharazi, Greek coordinates 501-239, no later than 10-12-30 Bravo, August 26. And that is why we're here. Ladies and gentlemen, orders. Situation, enemy forces, strength, 1 section, intention, to hold a temporary defensive position while waiting for reinforcements, likely reaction, to withdraw when hit hard, weapon, AK-47, MMG, 60mm mortar, and Launcher 7, capability, quick reinforcement from Rwanda Republic, morale, very high since they occupy a part of our territory, dress, mix of civilian and combat dress, mission, number 1 platoon is to attack and defeat the enemy section dug in at the Rusharazi general area, grid reference 501-240, no later than 10-12-30 Bravo, August 26, in order to support Alpha Combat Team Commander's plan. Mission, number 1 platoon is to attack and defeat the enemy section dug in at the Rusharazi general area, grid coordinates 501-240, no later than 10-12-30 Bravo, August 26, in order to support Alpha Combat Team Commander's plan. Execution, concept of operations. Intent, strike to defeat the Nyangarama forces in the general area of Rusharazi. Scheme of maneuver. Number 1 platoon is to strike to defeat the enemy section in the general area of Rusharazi using number 1 section, strike the enemy from the right side. Number 2 section, strike the enemy from my left side. And number 3 section will form depth and be ready to reinforce. All will be supported by 1 anti-tank section to destroy enemy tanks, 1 anti-aircraft section to counter air threats, 1 motor section to neutralize enemy motors, 1 assault pioneer section to breach enemy mines. Main effort, strike to defeat the enemy section in the general area of Rusharazi, which lies with number 1 section. Task to subordinate units. Number 1 section commander.
Sir!
Task, strike the enemy from my right side. Exploit 500 meters beyond the objective, reorganize 200 meters beyond the objective.
Yes, sir!
Number 2 section commander. Task, Strike the enemy from my left side. Exploit 500 meters beyond the objective and reorganize 200 meters beyond the objective.
Yes, sir.
Number 3, Section Commander.
Sir.
Task, secure FUP, form depth.
Yes, sir.
Anti-tank Section Commander.
Sir.
Task, destroy enemy tanks.
Yes, sir.
Anti-aircraft Section Commander.
Sir.
Task, counter air threats.
Yes, sir.
Mortar Team Commander.
Sir.
Task, neutralize enemy mortars.
Yes, sir.
Assault Pioneer Section Commander.
Sir.
Task, breach enemy minefields.
Yes, sir.
Coordinating instruction. Timings. HR is 10-12:00 Bravo, August 26. Enemy to be defeated by 10-12:30 Bravo, August 26. Service support. Ammo. Each section to carry first line ammo. Medic. Each soldier to carry first aid kit. Command at signal. Location. Platoon headquarters will be between the right and left sections. Alternative command. Number 1 section commander will take over the command and accomplish the mission in case of my absence.
Yes, sir.
Signal. Channel. Operation channel.
Sir.
Go through your notes and ask questions, if any. Number 1 section commander.
Sir.
Any questions?
No questions, sir.
Number 2 section commander.
Sir.
Any questions?
No questions, sir.
Number 3 section commander.
Sir.
Any questions?
No questions, sir.
O group.
Sir.
Synchronize your watches according to mine. Time now is 11:30. When I say time, time will be 11:31. Wait. Five, 4, 3, 2. Time now is 11:31. Number 1 section commander.
Sir.
Check back.
Time now is 11:31. When I say time, time will be 11:32. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2. Time now is 11:32.
Correct. O group.
Sir.
Go and brief your men. I wish you all success. This marks the end of my string of orders. Permission to carry on, sir.
karagaragara man karibu ugume ucumwana
ibyo umuyobozi amaze kubereka bagiye kubishyira mu bikorwa.
kugira ngo dutegereze zivemo.
Alpha 1-2, Alpha 1-3, Delta 1-1. Get up and be ready to advance.
Alpha 1-1, Roger over.
Alpha 1-2, Roger over. Alpha 1-3, Roger over. Delta 1-1, Roger over.
Abasirikare bagiye gutera umwanzi.
Alpha 1-1, Alpha 1-2, Alpha 1-3, Delta 1-1. Over.
umuyobozi w'isibo arakomeza ababwira ati mugende ariko muringaniye kugira ngo umwanzi barabikora neza nkuko babitojwe, baragenda baringaniye ku buryo bakora umurongo utambitse, ibyo twita extended line mu gisirikare. Murabona ko bari kugenda rwose neza cyane nkuko babitojwe, bateganye nta n'umwe usiga undi, nta n'usigara n'inyuma, baringaniye neza cyane, baragenda nk'intore cyane rwose nkuko babitojwe. Gira ngo namwe murababona. Ariko umwanzi abarasaho, umwanzi abarasheho, bahita batekinga cover.
Deployed along the axis. The enemy's intention is to play on the all actual plans of the right is immediate success. More details to follow. Over.
This is 194 ahead of us.
Ayo ni amabwirizwa atanzwe n'umukuru w'isibo, atanze raporo ku muyobozi we amubwira imbaraga z'umwanzi afite, ibikoresho umwanzi afite, ibyo umwanzi ashaka ndetse n'icyo bo bagiye gukora. Umuyobozi w'isibo yatanze amabwiriza ku ngamba ya kabiri n'ingamba ya gatatu zigiye gutera umwanzi zimuturutse mu mbavu, ibyo mu gisirikare twita rugondene, ibizwi mu ndimi z'amahanga nka flanking. Murabona ko bariruka cyane ku speed kari hejuru, bariruka ku kavuduko ko hejuru nkuko babitojwe nk'intore, kugira ngo umwanzi ataza no kumenya ko bagiye kumutera bamuturutse mu mbavu. Bariruka cyane kandi bose bajyanira hamwe, ntabwo ari gupfa kwiruka, bagenda banunamye kugira ngo hato bataza kuraswaho. Umwanzi akomeje kurasa, yaryohewe no kurasa, atazi ibigiye kumubaho mu kanya nk'ako guhumbya. Umwanzi arakomeza arasa, ariko mu kanya gato arisanga bamuturutse mu mbavu. Ariko nubwo mubona bagiye, hasigaye ya ngamba yarashweho, isigara ihanganye n'umwanzi mu buryo bwo kujijisha umwanzi kugira ngo atamenya ko agiye kurasirwa mu mbavu ze. Ngira ngo namwe murabibona, ngamba yasigaye isigara ihangana n'umwanzi mu buryo bwo kujijisha kugira ngo umwanzi ataza kumenya ko agiye gutukwa cyangwa se bagiye kumutera bamuturutse mu mbavu ze. Umwanzi yaryohewe cyane no kurasa, ariko ibiri mu mubeho mu kanya ntago abizi. Yaryohewe cyane. Murabona ko ya ngamba y'imbere yarashweho yafashe ubwihisho, ibyo twita camouflage mu gisirikare. dore ngo umwanzi aridegemvya atazi ko ingoma zahinduye imirishyo we. Arakomeza yidegemvya ariko mu kanya baraje baramuturuka mu mbavu.
Delta 1-1. Alpha 1. Ceasefire. Over. This is Delta 1. Watch over.
Umuyobozi atanze ibwirizwa ryo kugira ngo yagamba asigaye inyuma ifunga imbunda kugira ngo itaraza kurasa abagenzi babo babaturutse mu mbavu. Murabibona yuko babaturutse mu mbavu. Ingamba ya mbere n'iya kabiri bose bamuturutse mu mbavu bamurasira icyarimwe na morale nyinshi ku muvuduko mwinshi ndetse naho usigundi ku buryo umwanzi atari buze kubona nakanya ko kwitekerezaho na gatoya. Murabona ko umwanzi barimo baramumanura epfo, barihuta nta usigundi bararinganiye neza cyane. Umwanzi baramumanura, muri kubibona ko umwanzi bamumanuye epfo no umuriro rwose. Baramumanuye rwose mpaka bamuturutse mu mbavu. Murabona ko umwanzi akwiye imishwaro ndetse ari no kwicwa kandi ari no gutsindwa. Baramumanuye rwose baramumanura epfo aho atabona n'umwanya wo kwitekerezaho na gatoya. Uko nguko niko RDF ikora, nta mikino. Umwanzi bamumanuye epfo cyane. Umuyobozi w'isibo atanze amabwiriza yo kwisuganya ibizwi nka yoga mu gisirikare. Iyo barangije kurasa umwanzi bamumazeho bakora icyo bita kwisuganya kugira ngo babashe kumenya niba umwanzi bamurashe wese, banabashe kumenya niba hari ukomeretse mu babo.
Get up and begin search. Over. Wait up. Over.
Umuyobozi anatanze amabwiriza ku ngamba yasigaye ijisho umwanzi ko nabo bazi imbere ariko bareba ko hari umwanzi wasigaye kugira ngo ataza kubagirira nabi. Murabibona ko bahagurutse barimo baragenda bareba ko hari umwanzi wasigaye kugira ngo ataza kuba yabagirira nabi. Kugira ngo rero hatagira umwanzi ubaca muri humye akabagirira nabi, baje bari guhorahoza n'uwipfushije ataza kuba yarota no kubagirira nabi. Baragenda gake gake bareba ko nta mwanzi wasigaye. Baragenda nkuko babitojwe rwose, ngira ngo namwe murabona ku rugamba. Urabona ko nabo bagezemo. Urabona ko bagezeyo bisuganyije bari kumwe n'abandi. Umuyobozi yise atanga komande.
Alpha 1-1, Roger over.
Alpha 1-2, Roger over. Alpha 1-3, Roger over.
umuyobozi atanze amabwiriza yo gusubira mu birindiro.
Order of march. We are moving from the right side to the left side. Section 2 will lead. My platoon commander will follow. Section 3 will follow. Motor team will follow. Section 1 will follow. Platoon sergeant will cover the rear.
Umuyobozi ni nako guhita bahereza gahunda y'uburyo bari bugendemo.
Withdraw. Over.
Umuyobozi ahise atanga amabwiriza yo gusubira mu birindiro. RDF ku rugamba ntidusubizwa inyuma. Uyu ni umurage w'abatubanjirije. Turi inkotanyi cyane.
Agassiz! Fungap! Gassiz ganyan naman menjana utap! Berajan! Dim! Kabi! Dim! Dim! Kabi! Dim! Dim! Kabi! Dim! Dim! Kabi!